Samsung has just proved everyone wrong. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets up insane numbers in charging speed and a way powerful processor than the previous generation, according to number of leaks and rumors. The unpacked event of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to be happening on August 10 and literally there are few days remaining, alongside with the Z Flip 4, Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds Pro. And you can reserve your Galaxy device from Samsung official website and get a $200 credit. Yes, Samsung is also changing the name for both the Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4 devices. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below what your thoughts on the new charging figures on the Z Fold 4 and does it worth it? Basically, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be coming with some exceptional figures in terms of charging. According to a Twitter leaker Anthony, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be getting a full charge from 0 to 100% in less than an hour, which is because it has a new charging algorithm. But the thing that is going to be noticeable in here that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 only support a 25 watt of fast charging, which is pretty low as compared to the competition, and this 25 watt charging can charge your 4400 milliamp battery with just less than an hour, which is quite interesting. And if this leak is true, then Samsung just proved all the other people wrong, where from now you don't need a big charger to charge your device fastly. Now meanwhile, processor on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is also really good. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be getting 15% faster CPU, 59% of better GPU and 68% of better NPU. A big figure that are claimed by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. But let's see how well it's going to be performing against other competitors in the field. Now, the Z Fold 4 will get a pretty brighter display standing at 1000 nits with 120Hz of refresh rate and a stronger gloss on the front. To be honest, I don't think that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be having 1000 nits of peak brightness, because right now the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is coming with a 1200 nits of peak brightness. So according to this leak, I think that the 100 nits brightness is not true. Now moving forward, another big change that Samsung is going to be making in the foldable lineup is the naming. With having a Z in the foldable lineup has been removed and simply we have a Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 device naming. This is going to be enhancing in more countries as well, because Samsung is considering to removing the Z from its foldable lineup. Even the box on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 might not be coming with this ladder. Now, as far as the pricing is concerned, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be coming with potentially similar pricing as the last generation. And talking about the improvements, the first major improvement that you will see in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it's quite noticeable, will be the new camera sensor. Like as compared to previous generation, we have a major upgrade in terms of camera sensor. We have a main 50 megapixel of lens, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a 10 megapixel of telephoto lens with 3 times of zoom capability. The Z Fold 4 will be coming with an improved selfie camera in the inner display as well as the outer display as well. We have the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on both front and the back, and also we have the new hinge which will improve the outer display, and it's going to be a little bit wider this time around, and also the crease inside is going to be less noticeable as compared to previous generation. So definitely new hinge will bring some new improvements. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new charging speed and the new processor? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.